In today's video, I will be showing you how to add app password on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this Bluesky application and then click on these three lines up here and then go to the settings, and now go to the privacy and security. Now here you will find app passwords, so here you can add app password. Here, as you see, you can add the app password and click next, and that's it. That's how to add the app password easy on your privacy and security settings. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.